Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of the channel and you watch my videos, you know that I like to add a lot of accessories and aftermarket mods to my Tesla. One place that requires you to plug in a lot of those mods is right underneath your rear air vents, in your rear OBD port, your onboard diagnostics port in your Tesla. Lots of accessories are plugged in there, and it can get a little tight on space if you're plugging in a lot of wires and a lot of extra accessories. In this video, I got a solution for you that might help manage some of that space. Let's get into it. So quickly jumping in, I want to tell you guys about this product. This is a great design from Test Studio. It really solves a problem that I think people who like to add accessories to their Teslas are having. I know I've run into this problem a lot. I've installed a few things in my rear OBD port. I have a rear entertainment screen. I have a dash console with some buttons on it that helps move things. I know people have installed their sexy commanders. There's lots of things that need to be plugged in back there. There's often not a lot of room. So Test Studio, with collaboration of some other influencers and YouTubers, decided to come up with an extra large cover. And that's really all this is. It's just an extra large cover for the back rear underneath the vents of your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. Essentially a place where you can store extra wires and have extra space for all those connections. It's a very simple product. This is kind of really high quality ABS plastic. I don't believe it's like a 3D printed product. This is like a molded product, and it comes with all of the metal clips already installed perfectly for you to use. So it's really just a plug and play product. There's not a whole lot to it. Let's head over to the Tesla. I'm going to show you where this goes and show you kind of what I'm working with. And we'll compare this to the old cover and see how much room we actually get. As we head over into the Tesla, you can actually see what we're going to be talking about today. It's this cover right here underneath your rear air vents. So this cover right here is where a lot of aftermarket accessories will be plugged in. Things like your sexy commanders, your actual rear entertainment screens. I have a USB hub up in my front. All of it plugs in back here, and all those wires got to go somewhere. So that's what the container that we actually got from Test Studio is set to solve today. Really just give us a little bit more space. So let's go ahead and pop this one off. We'll kind of compare it to the new one, then we'll put that new one on and see how it looks. So as I pop off the OEM cover here, let's actually get down here and see. See, it's not even all attached all the way because I have so much stuff under here. So this should be fairly simple. Yeah, it'll just pop right off. So coming in, let's just pull this side off. Coming and taking a look, I have several things attached under here. This is my rear screen attached to the OBD port. I also have this wireless module which helps do some of my USB controls up there for opening the glove box and things like that. So it's already fairly tight. When we install the new cover, you'll see how much extra space we have. So while I'm in the car, because it's freezing outside, let's do a quick comparison between the two covers here. The original one's over here on the left, and the new one from Test Studios over here on the right. As you can see in this light, they're a very similar color. I want to say the one on the right's just a little bit darker. The original one has this kind of, I don't know, I'll call it like a grainy texture, a little bit of like a textured finish to it. And the one from Test Studio is really kind of missing some of that grainy feel. But you can see kind of just the difference here. As I hold them out, this is how they're going to install. The one on the right just has this extra, I don't know, I'll call it maybe an inch, inch and a half, or 2 inches of just kind of bump out space, which gives room for all those additional cords to fit in there. Let me just turn this around so you can see. All of the clips are in the right spot. They're the same dimensions, kind of this way. Just you get that little bit extra compartment right here to hide some of all those wires. So definitely a niche kind of product. But if you're having an issue where you need to cover up your cords from your aftermarket accessories, this is going to be the way to do it. Let's head down there and get the new one installed and take a look at how it looks. All right, you can see all my cords and everything is still kind of tucked away as I had it before, as best as I could. They're kind of smooshed up in there. But now we have the new cover here from Test Studio. And I'm going to just work my way down here and see if I can do this. And just get it in those, kind of line it up and get it where those clips go. And there you go. There's the completed look. It just gives you that little extra storage you need to kind of just fit all the wires and all the cords down there from your aftermarket accessories. I think it matches the original finish really nice. It doesn't have that same texture as the other one. But if you're down here, it's that same kind of dark gray, almost black color. Really just fits and integrates really, really well. Well, that about wraps up this quick video. I know this was a fast one, but it's a simple product that solves a problem. And I really like that when talking about Teslas and talking about accessories. This is a problem that I think is created by adding too many accessories to your car. But they're valid problems. I think that's okay if there's a product designed for that. I want to talk for a little bit about the cost of this product. This product retails at $75. $75 for what people are going to call a piece of plastic. And I'm here not trying to defend that price. I'm just the messenger. I just want to talk to you guys about how much it costs right now. I think it's on the higher side, if I'm going to be honest. I think it's expensive for what it is. I do understand there's some research and design time and tooling that goes into making a product like this, and there's probably not a huge volume of people that are going to go out there and buy it. So I think that designing a product like this, you probably have to charge a little bit more, like a premium price, for all the design and effort and tooling and creation of a product like this, and shipping and all that stuff that goes into it. So not defending the price, but I understand where it comes from a little bit. I would like to see this more, maybe that like $30, $40 range for this kind of cover. But it really does solve that problem. You get a ton of space now for your aftermarket accessories. Everything fit in there just fine. It's super easy to install. It matches the factory finish just fine. No one's ever going to see it down there. You lose maybe, I don't know, an inch or an inch and a half of space where it bumps out so you can fit some of those cords and those wires in there. And that's perfectly acceptable to me. I just think that a lot of people are going to be concerned with the price, and rightfully so. So if you come at me in the comments, just know I don't set the prices. I'm just kind of the middleman. They want me to share these products with you, and I'm absolutely happy to do that. Just know this is kind of pricey. But if you run into this problem where you don't have room under here for all the accessories you want to add, and you need some additional space, problem solved. Thank you guys for coming back and watching this video. If you're interested in this product, I'll leave a link to it down in the description, as well as always use my discount code. I think the price is about $75 right now. If you use my discount code on this product, GAM1080 right here on the screen, it'll go down to about 60 bucks. So a little bit easier pill to swallow, but still on the pricey side. So I don't know if they're going to have any, recommendations for this product to come down, but I'd really like to hear from you guys. What would you recommend, or where would you be a buyer for a price for a product like this? What price would make you a buyer? I'd really like to hear from you guys that. So thank you guys so much for coming back. I appreciate everything. If you're interested in any of the products that I review on this channel, my link tree is down below. Every product in that link tree has an associated review video with it. So just an easy way to find all the reviews I've done if you're interested in any of those products. Thank you guys for coming back. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good day.